almost outdoors. Almost 6:30 in the morning. Me and Gary, he's just went back in to get my coffee. Supposed to be getting my coffee, then we're going fishing. It's about time. Thank you. I gotta get my cup. Crap. What do you got going on there? It's too early for that.
5 o'clock somewhere, right?
It is. Some people are just a bad influence on you in the morning. Yeah, well, it's vacation. Oh yeah.
Some of that.
Yeah. Get you some. Got one.
Walk around me too much, fucker.
Number 2. We decided to come out to the river out here. It's a little bit more clear than the little lake that they have, man-made lake that they have. So we decided to come out here and have a little fun. And actually, you can see your feet. It's actually pretty clear. Let's see if we can catch any fish up here. Good times. Nighttime and the golf cart is loaded back behind me. Thanks for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors. Tomorrow we're leaving. And then we have the camping store down at Yogi in Williamsport. We'll be there all month, so hopefully we'll get a couple videos out of that. Hopefully something exciting happens. But if not, I'm gonna do a video anyway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe.